In this video, you are going to see how to select only the even row in Microsoft Excel. If I select manually like this, it will take much time, but I am going to apply a shortcut trick. Just write here the equal sign, write a formula is even row, start the bracket, close the bracket, and again close the bracket and hit enter. And this is false because this is not an even row, and drag it down like this. Now we can select the even row very easily. Just use the filter and select the true and click on OK. Now you can select the even row and you can copy it and you can paste it anywhere in your Excel document. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.